Hello, thank you for tuning in to another episode of The Passing Thoughts.
अभी हम एक डिस्कशन कर रहे थे and I think it would be a good idea to add you into it. So we hear this often कि XY chromosome जो है that's dying and masculinity is dying these days. So what are your 2 cents on that?
Well, I don't actually agree with it at all. क्योंकि I think ये जो इसको label होता है ना, that is primarily due to certain traits जिनको you label them as being masculine. और उसमें primarily ये आ जाता है कि you shouldn't be expressing yourself or you shouldn't be showing too much emotions. आपको even going as far as के certain artistic things if you're doing them तो they're labeled as not being masculine. तो I think ऐसी तो बात नहीं होती क्योंकि you're taking away from a lot of things simply उनको लेबल करके अच्छा दिस इज नॉट मैस्कुलिन. मेरा तो इसलिए इस पे बड़ा वो डिफरिंग ओपिनियन है.
So you don't agree with this?
नहीं, आई डोंट एग्री विद दिस. होता ये है क्योंकि आप अगर इस चीज पे रहो तो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स जो कि आप फिर नहीं करते, राइट? एंड देन ऑब्वियसली आई थिंक इसमें हम पहले भी बात कर रहे थे कि दिस इज a lot of times this has to do with the fact that this is surrounded by what, let's say, attractiveness is to some people, right? कि वो उसको कहेंगे कि if something is not masculine then that's not attractive, but वो तो वही है कि if it's not everything is intended for the.
So what do you think is true masculinity?
I think important ये है कि to be comfortable in your own skin कि आप अपने आप को express कर सको, right? So let's say you enjoy doing something जो कि बाकी सब कह रहे हैं अच्छा this is not masculine, तो I think if you're comfortable enough I think doing that is a much more masculine thing, I guess.
If you see around a guy who's doing makeup or is probably dancing or maybe doing kathak or anything of that sort, would you be like कि this man is not man enough?
नहीं, I think ये अच्छा बल्कि I think going back to the previous thing, I think ये चीजें नहीं होती labeling something as being masculine or feminine, I think that needs to be changed, right?
Do you think they're inherently unattractive?
मतलब I don't think कि अच्छा I think इसमें not मेरा opinion शायद इसमें it won't really matter, but I think attractiveness is very subjective to everyone, right? तो कोई चीज इसमें यही होता होगा कि you can't label some trait as being masculine or feminine and then उसकी basis के ऊपर आप attractiveness नहीं gauge कर सकते. I think that is a very subjective thing.
And what do you think about chivalry?
I think वो इसमें I would like to know your opinion about chivalry. मतलब फिर उसके बाद I think I'll share mine.
ये भी काफी हम सुनते हैं कि आजकल men are not chivalrous enough and I think they're not supposed to. I don't believe in chivalry to be honest. Like अगर कोई आपके लिए कोई अच्छा gesture कर रहा है, let's say you know opening a door for you or something like that, I mean I would like it, but at the same time it's not expected.
And I think the reason for that I'll add to it is कि once you start associating roles इस तरह ना तो उसमें यही होता है कि फिर what we've seen so much कि men are supposed to let the woman cook मतलब and then they're not supposed to go in the kitchen. फिर इस तरह की roles when you start defining them I think वो बात पे बहुत गलत हो जाती है क्योंकि and this is वही वाली चीज़ है. this also stems a lot from patriarchy and from cultural beliefs के मतलब ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. तो I think that is something that needs to be changed. मतलब obviously it's a very good thing if someone is doing के मतलब if they're opening doors or whatever, it's a good gesture.
A lot of people who are actually chivalrous are actually patriarchal too. तो ये भी चीज़ है कि sometimes it's not even good when they're doing it because they're not doing it out of a place of you know respect and all that. They're doing it out of a place where they're taught this is how a man is supposed to be in women's places in the kitchen.
So मतलब I think these beliefs are what we need to change.
अगर मैं तुम्हारा मेकअप करूँ किसी दिन would you be okay?
यार अब देखो that is a personal choice. I don't think I would very much like it. Makeup नहीं मतलब you could do something to
I mean if it's not that visible it's just making you look a little better.
A little better, yeah.
I mean you know just more fresh glow like just if women do it like concealer or something like that. What do you think it's going to affect you as a man?
नहीं. It's just more like I don't know how I would look. मतलब it's just you're free to experiment. मतलब I wouldn't mind it. I think मैं वही कह रहा था कि you could do something to my hair. I think I would put much more on it.
Okay, well, some personal preferences is one thing, and believing that this is something wrong is another.
One of the creators I watch on YouTube, मतलब he has a cooking channel and he had his nails painted like I think pink, white or something like that. I wouldn't call that as not being masculine.
Because they also have only one shot at life. They want to enjoy themselves. You know, just let them.
मतलब वही वाली बात आती है कि let people do what they want to do, right? And then आप इस तरह label ना करो. Important चीज़ ये है कि you need to rethink कि why are you labeling something एक gender के ऊपर.
लोग
People
अपने
should do what
personal
they want.
preferences असल में generalize कर देते हैं, they just put it into boxes.
I think वही, and then imposition, obviously something that we like to do a lot, के अपने views औरों पे impose to. So
Because all of this, even attractiveness is subjective. तो हम अपने, अगर हम पहली बात तो लोगों का purpose दुनिया में सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि they have to look attractive to the opposite gender. मतलब आपका sole purpose ये तो नहीं हो सकता ना कि you're just catering to the male gaze or the female gaze.
So I think the main takeaway from this is that you should be yourself. You're free to choose what you find attractive, but stop imposing your beliefs or what you think is right, wrong, or whatever. मतलब वो leave that to other people, right? What they want to do. Thanks for tuning in, and leave your feedback in the comments below. And if you want us to talk about anything, let us know.
See you in the next one.